Hello everyone and welcome to Greg's Court. It was quite unusual morning for Luka Doncic and Slovenian national team. I'm glad to be here, I just didn't sleep much today. We were a little scared by the alarm, said the best Slovenian basketball player Luka Doncic in the introduction. At night, sirens blared in Okinawa and together with alarms on phones woke people up with notifications about what was happening. The reason was the again failed launch of Renaissance satellite by North Korea, and the alarm was cancelled after 20 minutes after the mission with the satellite ended in the East China Sea. It was crazy. I saw a rocket coming to Okinawa, Doncic said. Luka was also talking about the Japanese people and all the welcome they gain from their stuff. They are a very respectful nation. Everything is according to the rules that everyone follows. But I would like to thank them for welcoming us. They also showed us a lot of support in the match we played against the Japanese. We should be like the European. The champions already qualified for the previous championship, but unfortunately we didn't. The best nation teams in the world are gathered here, and it's nice to be here, added Doncic regarding the host, who receives a lot of attention at every step. You could say that Japan has been gripped by Lukomania. With the cancellation of some famous names, the Slovenian captain is now without competition the first star of the National Basketball Championship. Luka was also talking about the preparations. During this time, we trained well. We had more for training and preparations, and at the same time for rest. You use it well. I think these preparations were very important, said Doncic, who showed good preparation in the preparatory matches. Before joining the national team, he devoted himself to physical fitness and individual training sessions and quickly caught the competitive rhythm. Otherwise, he missed the confrontation with the USA, which was played in Malaga because he had some problems with his muscle, which have been lingering for some time. He's slowly getting better, but he will not be completely well for a while.